In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a general ledger report in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the report, how to customize it so it shows the information you actually need, and how to print or save it for your records. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu. From that menu, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of your financial reports, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Once you're on the Reports page, you have two easy ways to find the general ledger. At the top, there's a search bar labeled Find Report by Name. Click into that search bar and start typing General Ledger. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matching reports. When you see General Ledger appear, click it to open. If you prefer to browse instead of search, scroll down the page until you see the section called For My Accountant. In that section, you'll find the General Ledger report listed. Go ahead and select it from there. Now that the General Ledger report is open, you'll want to customize it so it matches the period and details you're looking for. Near the top right of the report, click the Customize button. This opens a panel with several options. Start by setting your reporting period. Use the Date Range selector to choose the start and end dates you need, such as a specific month, quarter, or year. Then, look for the accounting method and choose whether you want the report on a cash or accrual basis, depending on how your books are set up. You can also filter the report by specific accounts if you don't want to see everything at once. For example, you might limit it to a particular bank account or expense category. This can make the report shorter and easier to review. After you've adjusted your settings, click Run Report. QuickBooks will refresh and display the general ledger based on your selections. With the report generated, you're ready to print. At the top of the report, click the Print dropdown and select Report. In some layouts, you may see a More Actions button instead. If so, click that and choose the print option there. Your browser's print dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose your printer, adjust settings like pages and layout, or change the destination to Save as PDF if you want a digital copy instead of a physical printout. When you're happy with the settings, confirm to print or save, and your general ledger report is ready to go.